Hello everyone, it's been a really long time since I filmed anything. Oh my god, I just realized I'm sick. Yeah, so I was sick for 2 weeks. You're gonna have to live with it. So yeah, there's a lot of changes that happened in my life. I'm not sure I want to get into that on YouTube. I'm just not sure if I want to talk about my personal life that much here, so I won't get into that. But let's just say that I am moving in 28 hours. I'm really excited about this move. I'm going to be closer to university, so this is really awesome for me and I'm very excited. So right now my apartment is in with a lot of boxes. It's crazy. I'm moving from a 5-room apartment to a 1 room with roommates, so it's a lot of adaptation and a lot of things that I need to get rid of and deal with them. I live in Montreal, and this year it was very difficult to find an apartment. I'm gonna take my tripod to talk to you because it seems like I'm gonna have a lot to say. It's very difficult to find a place to film when you're moving. Okay, maybe here on the table, that seems good. So I'm moving in 28 hours. I'm really excited. I'm gonna try to film me moving. I don't know why I got that idea. I was with my mom and she just asked me if I was going to film it, and my mom doesn't even understand English, so she's not watching my YouTube videos. I have no idea how she even knows like people are filming their move. Yeah, but I'm gonna do it because why not? It's interesting. I'm going to document this important step in my life. I'm going to have roommates for the first time, so it's a bit stressful, but I'm looking into living new experiences, I guess. So I'm gonna move downtown Montreal. It's going to be very exciting. Oh yeah, what I was saying is that this year in Montreal it was very difficult to find an apartment. Just to give you a bit of a story, here in Montreal most of the leases are up in July. So July 1st everyone moves. There's stuff on the streets like furniture, and it's full of things. Everyone oh my god. Okay, so everyone moves on July 1st, and this year there is not enough vacant apartment for everyone that's looking, so it was very difficult. At the beginning I wanted to find an apartment to live alone so I could like do my YouTube videos in peace and just live alone, but the landlords wouldn't sign me like alone. I guess I don't know. It's easier to choose, like I guess it's discrimination against students in a way, because yeah, they didn't want to sign me even if my mom was like singing the lease with me, just for money purposes. They still didn't want to, and I guess they prefer to choose someone that works every day, like full-time, so that sucks. Okay, Mino is here with me. I don't give him as much attention lately because I'm moving, so Mino is moving with me. It was very difficult to find an apartment where Mino is allowed, so that's just a little update. Sorry, I'm talking a lot. Also, what's new? Yeah, I think I'm gonna talk about what I'm doing this summer in another video. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a little update. And look how Mino is cute with me. Yes. Mino. Oh, I have an amazing cat. Mino. There's a lot I need to do. Right now we are Friday. I'm moving on Sunday. I also have a lot of deadlines right now. I have a report that is a critic of a PhD thesis that's due in 6 days, but as I'm moving this weekend, like, it's really hard. I also have to do a cheat sheet for that exam, and it takes me like 10 to 15 hours to do. and I don't know when I will do that because I'm also working full-time at university. It's crazy. I also have to clean all my fridge because I sold it, so someone is taking it tomorrow. I think it must be 7:30 now. I really need to work on the PhD critic and then clean the fridge later on. I also need to do some stuff with my old roommate from here. We have to separate like some of the stuff we bought together, so everyone leaves with some things equally. So yeah, right now I'm gonna work and I'm gonna document this move. So I hope you enjoy these vlogs, and I hope I can publish them as soon as possible because I'm so busy, it's crazy. Hello, Mom. I'm filming myself.
Oh non.
C'est ta faute, c'est toi qui as dit que...
Non, moi je veux pas être dedans.
Juste une vidéo. Mais là, c'est trop tard.
Tu filmes plus là?
Say hello to the camera. I need to speak in English. Can you speak in English?
No.
You can't?
No.
Do you know any word?
Hi.
Okay, so I'm filming because of you. Oh, I don't have voice anymore. Hello everyone, so I'm in my bed right now. I don't have any voice. We've been building the bed and placing everything in the room since 1 p.m. I think. And I was already sick and all this moving stuff is quite stressful. so I really don't have any voice. I know I'm just really tired. It's 11:30 p.m. My mom is still helping me. We're gonna have some Haagen-Dazs ice cream in the bed, and then we're gonna go to sleep, and and I'll see you tomorrow. I'm sorry I couldn't vlog a lot today because only one light here and that's it, because there's no light on the ceiling. So I have to fix that for my YouTube videos. So I'll go to bed now and I'll see you tomorrow. I just realized that I didn't talk about what I did on July 1st. So in the morning, from waking up around 9 to 2 p.m. I was settling in my apartment. From 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. I was working in my AI workshop at university, and after that for the night I was just settling in my apartment again. So that's what I did on July 1st. Hello everyone, so it's 8 p.m. right now. We are Monday. I moved in. I'm always playing with my hands. I moved in yesterday, and yeah, it's very warm here. Oh, I don't have batteries anymore. It's very warm here. We don't have AC yet. It's broken. There's a lot of things that are broken in the apartment, honestly. But right now I should eat. I haven't eaten for dinner, but I'm not hungry at all. So right now I'm gonna work, and then hopefully I get some work done tonight. I need to find my glasses because I have no idea where they are, so I'll do that and then I'll get to work. I don't even have Wi-Fi, so we'll see how that goes. I don't think I need Wi-Fi tonight, but still.